Alright guys, welcome to the channel. So I did a video on this a month or so ago. This is my 20 by 12 gazebo. Got this on Amazon, and last month I did the video right after we got it built. We had our couch in there, and then we just recently, actually a few weeks ago, we got this hot tub put in. But I want to show you how the hot tub fits in here, the size, just so you can kind of see comparison wise. I also did another video. I'll leave a link to the other gazebo video I did and the wiring. I actually wired this hot tub myself, and so I'll leave that information there. The wiring turned out awesome. The wiring was great, perfect, no issues or problems at all. This hot tub that we got is a Bullfrog. This is the R series Bullfrog, and this one's actually the R8 model. Open it up here and I'll just kind of show you the hot tub. It's got this nice kind of lifting, helps you kind of lift it up, and it holds the cover up in the up position when you're not using it. So this one's 7 foot by 10 inches square. So the outside dimensions 7 foot 10 inches this way, 7 foot 10 that way, 7 foot 10. So it's a 7 foot 10 square. And this gazebo is 20 feet long by 12 feet deep, and it fits on this concrete pad really well. Now the inside dimensions are a little bit less, and they even make this gazebo in a smaller size to where it just be this pole to this pole here. So let's say you wanted to use it for a hot tub, you could just do that. If you didn't need the seating area, you could probably do a 12 by 10. That'd probably be the dimensions here. 12 foot deep, 10 foot wide. That'd actually be a pretty good dimensions for a hot tub. This hot tub here, this is actually by Bullfrog. It seats, there's actually 8 seats in it, and Bullfrog actually has these removable jetpacks here. So these actually jetpack modules can be moved and placed to different seats throughout the hot tub, because each seat has a different depth to it. So when you find the seat that you like sitting at the most, you can move the jetpack and have it customized to yours, because each jetpack has different massage features, a different spray pattern. You can see how that one looks different than that one there. But we've really enjoyed the gazebo because it's had, not only does it have this cover here, but we also have these solar lights here. So you can see these solar lights here. I'll give you a kind of a quick clip. In an hour it'll dark, and I'll kind of show you what they look like when they're off. We got these lights on there, and then the other side of this pole we have the solar panel that charges them, and they come on when it's dusk, come on, and then they go off at dawn. So they're just on at nighttime. But we have mosquitoes in our area, so it has this nice mosquito net that is a nice mesh net that will just kind of keep this whole area enclosed at night, so that way we can come out here and enjoy the hot tub, the seating area, and not have to worry about, you know, the flying bugs bothering us. We've really enjoyed this gazebo, especially it's going to be nice in the wintertime. We get snow in this area here, so to be able to keep, like, it's a nice strong metal roof, keep the rain, the wind, the snow off of this area is going to be great. And we've just really enjoyed this hot tub, so we think this has been just a great gazebo setup for kind of our situation. And we like that we have kind of this seating area next to it that kind of gives it a little more expanded area. But this does have the double curtains, so you can do just a privacy curtain on the outside and then the mesh nets on the inside. So I think we'll probably do, we haven't done this full privacy curtain yet. I think we'll do that in the winter time, so that way if it's cold, you know, that cold wind and snow is not going to get inside of here. Anyways, this is kind of the update of our gazebo and kind of what we've used it for. One other thing I wanted to show you that we installed on this gazebo were these lights. Okay, we have these lights on the front. They're actually a solar powered light, so there's just a screw, and they're just hanging on one screw, but at nighttime they turn on, and they have the mode that we have these on. It's actually just kind of like a yellow flickering light, like it's a candle. And so that kind of gives it a nice accent. And then as well as these interior lights that are hanging, I'll leave a link to those as well. But here's how we have the panel rigged up. So I actually have a large zip tie that's strapped to it, and it's holding this panel up, and this is actually facing east, so it gets the morning midday sun, and then in the afternoon it's shaded. But that's enough sun for it to power the lights. I was trying to figure out how to get it up on the roof or something, but there's just not enough cord length to be able to run it up there. So I thought this was kind of the best route. So you can kind of see how it runs from the post there, it droops there, and then actually these are just tucked in. Actually, I have zip ties. You can see here I have zip ties on the corners, and then up here I just have it tucked in underneath the panel. The panels will kind of lift up if you push up on them, and that cord is just tucked up there. I thought I'd do a more permanent installation, zip tie 'em up there, but it's held up there just fine for over the last several weeks. So it's worked out good. Anyways, guys, this is kind of our backyard setup. I thought it was really happy with how it's turned out. We've used it a lot. This gazebo is really nice, and I'll leave a link to it down in the description below. But anyways, leave your comments down below, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.